Positioning for hard driving blues. First, I'm going to show this position for the 1 chord. Then I'll show this position for the 4 chord. And then this position for the 5/7 chord. This is the 1 chord position. Here's our 1 chord. I'm leaving out the middle. There's that B flat, B natural, and back. I'll do it 3 times. Your turn. Your turn. Your turn. Now I'm going to show you the 4 chord. Here's the 1 chord. Here's the 4 chord. I'm now removing the E. I'm using just the do and the fa, and I'm adding in the B flat. Your turn. My turn. Your turn. My turn. I'm now on measure 7. Goes back to the 1 chord with this lick. Measure 9, 5/7 chord. Here's the 1 chord. Here's the 5/7 chord. Instead of the F sharp, I'm using a different note. I'm using the re, fa, sol. That's an alternative to a 5/7 chord. Here's the pattern. Measure 9. So, so, fa, re, so. So, so, fa, re, so. And then I go to fa, fa, and there's that flat. That was the 4 chord. I want to practice going from, and then, here's the ending back to the 1 chord. Here is the entire left-hand part. 1 chord. 1 chord, 5/7 chord, 4 chord, 1 chord. Here's hard driving blues, both hands.